What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly and welcome back for day 3 of HALLOW-QUEEN series. So today we are doing Goosebumps. Anybody remember Goosebumps, or are y'all too young? Let me know in the comments down below. This is probably the only time you'll ever hear me say it, but I used to read the Goosebumps books when I was younger. We had this program in my middle school and I think elementary school. It was called AR, Accelerated Reading Program. And that's my reason why I hate reading so much, because we had to read for points and all that other stupid stuff. But mostly I read Goosebumps books and I loved them. Oh my god. They were kind of corny, but my favorite episode of Goosebumps was probably the Haunted Mask or the Monster Mask one. Oh my god, that one creeped me the fuck out. And of course, like that dog in the intro always creeped me out. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. But yeah, let me know your favorite Goosebumps episode or your favorite Goosebumps book. Either way, let me know in the comments below. So right now, y'all, I am just filling in the outside of the Goosebumps look. Well, I guess the logo, you can say. But I'm filling in the certain spots that I'm going to do in green. And I'm going to be using Crayonline's UV Day Glow Aqua Color in the shade green, of course. And the one thing I really didn't appreciate with this, and I guess it's because it's UV, I can't really complain too much. I had to overlap this green so much. It blended like a nightmare. Most likely probably the user error, but when I say this was a nightmare, like I was about to not even post this look until my friends cussed me out when I showed them the look. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just filling in the gaps of where I will be putting the green at. Most of the background will be green, of course, and the negative space, of course, will be the house and the trees. And right now I'm filling in a negative space just using a black body paint. So I will talk to you guys once I am done outlining. Alright, y'all, to the face we go. So I'm always using the same palettes because when I like something, I just go really ham on it. So I'm surprised I don't have a dent on this palette, but this is the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going in first with the shade Daddy, and I am just kind of mapping out where my crease is at, and I'm just really using real small patting motions, and then I'll go back in and start swiping and blending in that color. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going in with the shade Social Blade. I'm going right over that color just to help blend it out some more, but I don't want to lose the depth. So you will see me switch back and forth. So now I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm using that to cut my crease. This time I'm going to be using Milk instead of my usual concealer because I'm going to go in with a really light gray champagne type of color for my lid this time. Shade combination, I'm going in with the shades Flashback, and Ring Light, And I love the way this came out. Like, this is like the perfect, like really iridescent type of gray color. Now I'm going in with a NYX white lighter pen, and I'm really taking my time because I kind of have hooded lids. So if I blink, this is all going on the work that I just blended before. So be really careful with this, y'all. Take your time. Take a break if you have to. Please don't look up, because I know in one of these clips I looked up and I had to fix it later. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just following underneath my cut crease just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And of course, you guys knew this was coming. I'm going to go in with my Inglot number 77 liner, and I'm going to give myself a wing line. Like, y'all, like, stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all knew this was coming. So right now I'm going to be just shading parts of like where the slime or globs of gloop will be. I don't know what to call these things, but I just wanted to be a little messy. I was tired of the cute looks, y'all. I really am. I'm getting ready to be scary now. So now I'm going in with some more green paint, and these are from Mayron. So I'm going to be using these just to fill in my slime. To make the slime look more realistic, I'm going in with Social Blade and Daddy, and I'm just going to just shade a little bit over the paint just to make it look like it's kind of popping off from my skin. And now we're going to hold our breath as we outline. So now I'm just using some more black paint, and I'm just going to trace that over my lips as my lipstick today. I don't have any black lipstick. Yeah, I don't have any black lipstick. I used to, but we're just going to use paint for this instance. That is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by giving me a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And please make sure you are subscribed if you already haven't by hitting that subscribe button and making sure you hit that bell so you're notified every single time I am uploading. I will be uploading every other day up until Halloween, and you guys don't want to miss it because I'm just getting started with the scary looks. It's only getting worse. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!